I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Y'all know how much I dislike outside, but it is 5:43, and we've had our heavy cream. And so they're doing one more potty, and then we'll go in and stretch out. Shut up. So we have our heavy cream. We each get a couple squirts, and then we go in and we lay down, and I watch YouTube videos, and they cuddle up with me, and Baxter's happy because we're all in one place. So that is the lowdown. Oh, he thinks he's going to tell off the neighbor for mowing their own yard. He's just making sure they know, don't come in our yard, huh? He says, I'll eat you up. Then there's her. She'd say, why don't you go ahead and come in our yard so that I can get some belly rubs? These dumb old boys. That's what she says. These dumb old boys. Up. Hike that leg, boy. Look at him hiking that leg. He's so funny. Can't believe my baby's 8 years old. It makes my heart sad. He's 8. Sam's 10. And Callie's 11. Anyway, all right. I'll see y'all later. You guys, we are so close to getting to eat at the picnic table. If it was yesterday, or let's see, if it's yesterday, if it was Saturday or Sunday, we would totally be eating at the picnic table. It was in the 80s. Yeah. But sadly today, no. It's windier than Cooter Brown. I want to crack the door a little bit. But, yeah, so we are getting so close, just like this, just like this. Anyway, so, all right. Found out that my math on the chuck roast for the macros wasn't too swift. So my calories are going to be high. But that's okay. It's how I cut it. And that's okay. Oh, that's odd. I'm going to have to cut some off because I, in my brilliance, had 20 pounds. It was basically 20 pounds, and I sliced it, and I took that 20 divided by 14. That wasn't too smart. What I should have done, which I didn't think about, was just made them all 1 pound. But you'll find out Friday. That ain't how I cut it. So it's okay. It's okay. My calories are going to be up while I'm doing this. On days that I have this, I also have some ground beef still, a lot of ground beef. So what I'm going to do is kind of alternate them a little bit. But like I talked to you all about yesterday and what you talked to me about in the comments, thank you. I will have them slice it next time. And then when I portion it, I'll portion it in one. When I did the math of chuck, because see, I can't have the fat in it. So the chuck roast that I choose is raw, but also it says with visibly eaten fat. So that makes it more calories, which is fine. So I'm going to have to cut it into 1 pound servings next time. And with those 1 pound servings, then I'll cook it up. So what I'll probably do is bring them home after I have them slice it. Bring it home, and then like each steak, lay it out on the scale and cut some off until it's 1 pound. And then one day Terry's just gonna have a bunch of little chunks. So that'll be fun. I don't mind that. I'll eat it like stew meat. It'll already be cut up. I tell you, we are near a rock quarry. And that wasn't right there, but they have been blasting. So I had my little interview with the surveyor. It was great. It went well. It was really nice. He was friendly. He had not done a survey with a program like ours before. So it's kind of neat being able to share with them what we do as a program. So that was cool. But all went well. And so, yeah. What do I have today? Ooh, yeah, baby. I got a cream soda today. I like cream soda. And yeah, that's what I know. I need to take this in. Hopefully none of my people are watching me. But I went on Amazon. I bought some pre-filled Easter eggs. So Fridays, I always give out stickers. Well, this Friday, I'm going to give out Easter eggs. And just give everybody an Easter egg. It has a little something in it. Like a sticker or a little toy. I have no idea what's in them, but that'll be kind of fun. So, all right. Well, that's what I know. I'm going to let you people go because we might take a walk later. Bye. Hello, y'all. I need to move. You're going to have to see up my nose for a little bit. Ooh, it is windy out here. So, I went and, oh, there's somebody else walking out here too. We'll see if it's somebody I know. I kind of have to go to the bathroom. I saw I should have went. But we're just going to the stop sign. Sometimes I get down and back in 5 minutes. But anyway, it's a caseworker, I think. Anyway, so how you doing? I am doing fabulous. I'm telling you what, I don't know. Since I have cleaned up what I'm eating, I feel better. Now, I ain't saying it's the end all be all, because y'all know me. 5 minutes from now, I can be like, guys, I feel miserable. You just never know how I'm going to feel. But what I'm going to say is, yesterday and today, I have been feeling on top of the world, physically, okay? Physically, I have been feeling on top of the world. And so, even though yesterday I was lazy and didn't vacuum, but still, I don't know. We're just going to keep going forward. Who cares? We're just going to take it and love it. But anyway, so yeah, that's the dealio. Oh, the wind's blowing. I hope y'all can hear me. Maybe I'll put my hand back there behind it. But anyway, yeah, I am feeling great. So I went and got an oil change. Oh, there was the cutest young couple there. And so I went to the gas station and I pulled up and I was getting out and they were on the other side of my pump. And she said, help, por favor. And I'm like, oh. So anyway, they couldn't, I didn't even look at their plate to see where they were from, like what other place from here. But anyway, they couldn't figure out how to work the gas pump. So I went up to it. I looked at it and it said, do you have rewards? And I'm like, no. So I hit the no button. And then it came to the point where you put in your card. And I didn't touch her card, but I went. So she could, and so she put in her card. It didn't ask for any PIN number. And then it said something about, oh, do you want a receipt? Or I don't remember what it was. Something else that was a no. And so anyway, he had already had the pump out, and I was like, why isn't it going? I'm like, oh, it's the kind you have to like flip up. There's like, when you hang it up, there's like this little thing that goes down, and then when you want to pump, you pull it up. So I pulled it up, and then they got it going. And now I don't know. All I know is one of the words was por favor. So I know that that's Spanish for please. So I don't know, I don't know who all in the world speaks Spanish. But anyway, they were just so cute. She looked like she was anywhere from 18 to 22. And the young boy with her, he looked like he could be, listen, I'm 54 years old, so everybody looks like a young whippersnapper to me. He looked like he was like 16 to 20 maybe. But they were just so cute. She was wearing shorts and freezing to death, and I was freezing to death. But anyway, we got it all done, and I got gas, and they got gas, and then they left. So hopefully wherever they were heading, they had a full tank of gas. But it was just so sweet. Help, por favor. I'm like, oh, I just wanted to give her a big old hug. All right, we're going to keep walking just a little bit. So, yeah, I love what I've done with the chuck roast or chuck roll, whatever it's called. And I am super excited to do that again. But next time, like I said, I'm going to tell them 1-inch slices. So then whenever I get it home, what I'll do before I put it away, I'll just slap it down on a paper plate. Oh, excuse me. And then I'll cut off some of it. But anyway, so yeah, I am on top of the world. Can't tell you. I mean, I haven't done anything different. But anyway, I just feel good. But all right, y'all, it's getting windy, so I'm going to let you go. Bye. Okay, so I walked down to this dead end, and then we're going to turn around. Well, I haven't got there yet, but I'm going to. I swear I'd show you. There's the park, and there's a car in the parking lot. My team, there's a bridge way over there, and my team walks across that bridge, and I don't know where. I'm trying to figure out these people. I don't know. I guess they're going on around. Some people walk all the way around this thing. It's 1.6 miles. But I like the selfie stick because whenever I'm done recording with you all, I take you off and I put you in my pocket. Actually, I tuck you in my bra, and then I hold the stick so I could beat somebody with it. This is pretty cool. Okay, bye. Sarah Clark, thank you for the coffee. I really appreciate that. Listen, my coworkers don't appreciate it, but I appreciate you. Oh, shoot, hang on, I'm tangled up here. Okay, there, sorry. Anyway, thank you for the coffee. I really appreciate it. And so when I get home, I'll put it on a little sticky note and I'll put it in my album of gratitude. So I just wanted to say that before I go any further because my memory is about this long. So thank you for the coffee. I'm excited because I love my coffee. Like I said, my coworkers don't appreciate it as much as I do. All right, so thank you so much for the coffee. Howdy do, how you doing? I'm home and in my recliner. It's 5:15 and I'm ready to eat. So, macros, you're going to see them at the end. Definitely more than what I need. But again, you know, when you try something new, you kind of don't really know how it's all going to go. So, and that's okay. So, and tomorrow's probably going to be a little high also because I have to meet with somebody in another county. And I think I'm meeting with them like at 11:30. So I'm probably going to eat a couple of meat sticks, or I might take some of my chicken broth. So that way I have it, you know, just so I can be prepared. Because y'all know I don't want to go somewhere hangry, that's for sure, and try to have a conversation. So what do I have? It's 224 grams of my chuck steak or chuck roast steaks. And so I asked my Alexa and she said it's a little under 9 ounce. No. Ziggy, how many ounces is 224 grams? Ziggy, how many ounces is 224 grams?
224 grams equals about 7.9 ounces.
Okay, so about 8 ounces. And I weighed it raw. Oh, Ziggy, thank you. I'm done with you now. I weighed it raw. So what I did
You're welcome. Glad I could help with your gram to ounce conversion adventures. Catch you later.
I had 2 pieces of meat in the Ziploc bag. So I just weighed them. And I'm having the smaller one tonight. And tomorrow I'll have 288 grams. And I do like to use grams because think about it like this. It's a little more tighter with the numbers. So if you have a pound, another way a pound is 16 ounces. So if you have 16 pieces, that's easier than 1.4, 1.5. But then instead of 16, if you break that down into, Ziggy, how many grams is 16 ounces?
16 ounces is about 453.59 grams. Let me know if you need any more conversions.
So what'd you say, 400 and something? So then imagine you have that many pieces. It's that finer number that's going to give you a little more. Ziggy, thank you. I'm done with you. It's going to give the little finer numbers. So she's blue. So she's eavesdropping.
Perfect. Hope those numbers work out great for you.
Why is it? I can't get her to answer me. But then whenever I'm done with her, she wants to linger and eavesdrop. I'm just kidding. I ain't worried about it. So anyway, so that's what this is 224 grams of my chuck roast. I scooped out some of the rendered fat with this. There's a bunch that's kind of burned in there, so I scraped it out. And we're going to try this tonight. This is my apple keto chow. Half a serving of apple keto chow mixed with half of a serving of the chocolate peanut butter keto chow. So, you know, like I love apples with peanut butter and apples and chocolate, so this can't be wrong. Heck yeah. I better have one more bite. Hang on. Want to make sure there's no bugs in it, you know. Anyway, macros are at the end, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Hey, do something today for your tomorrow self, whether that's setting out your meds for tomorrow or whether that's filling up your water bottle for tomorrow. Do something today for tomorrow. She will appreciate you. All right, bye. And again, thank you, Sarah Clark, for the coffee. I appreciate it very much. Okay, and here you can see my coffee up at the top, and then you can see my Zevia and my chuck roast. I have it with the visible fat eaten. That's just the one I chose. And then here you can see my afternoon coffee and my dinner. And then later on the snack that I'll have with my pupper dolls. And right here, you're going to see my total macros for the day. Definitely higher calories than what my plan was, but man, it'll be all right. I will live.